Python server program has high CPU usage. I am experimenting with the Python TCP server. I've just recently discovered the awesomeness that is Python. Anyway, the server runs just fine and prints data the way I would expect. But when I look at the CPU usage in the Windows Task Manager, it shows that Python.x is consuming 97% to 99% of the CPU. Just to see what would happen, I ran it again on a different computer and it only used about 50% of the CPU. Here is what I am wondering. Why is the CPU usage so high? Why would I see a difference running on two different machines? One is Windows 7, the other is Server 2008. Could that matter? I am creating a new thread for each connection and running a while loop that is always true, but I have a break when there is no longer a connection. Is this thread getting destroyed correctly? Thanks in advance for any help.
You are using set blocking 0, that means your socket is not blocking. What you are doing is called polling and will use as much CPU as it can. When you use threading you don't need to poll. Just remove the set blocking 0 line and it should work properly.
The problem is the infinite while loop, while 1. Please include a few microsecond delay, time.sleep 0.001, this brings the CPU usage drastically down.
Too low reputation to just comment on Rizie's answer. In your particular case, when you receive data with con.rif, just setting set blocking 1 solves the problem, as Polari has answered. But if you do polling in a loop with select statement, just set blocking 1 has no effect and Rizie's solution with a short delay, time.delay 0.01, is the way to go.
Histoire de tous ces morts, vive et considère substreaming.